Hello, and welcome to another episode of Fourlane Reports. My name is Tommy, and today we're going to be looking at an on-hand inventory report. So this report's pretty cool. It brings in our item name, the description if you have one, the last invoice or bill date, the on-hand quantity, where you can see if you have any of the dreaded negative inventory, which Fourlane can help you out with if you're running into that. We also have our on-hand valuation, the quantity on sales orders, and we list each sales order separated by a comma. We also have our available quantity, which is just our on-hand quantity minus the on sales orders amount. Got our quantity on POs, and we've got our next expected delivery date, which is the due date in QuickBooks. We also have a couple filters over here. If you know which item you want to look for, you can filter by items, or if you wanted to filter by items that a certain customer has purchased, you could filter by those customers. And these things are very customizable. So if you like what you see, but you want to see a little bit more, let us know. We're always happy to help. Thank you very much, and have a great day.